Na-play ko na. Kanina hindi ko pa na-play. Nope. Sabi ko, ano na parang gusto mo sa hindi ko naman nakasunod.
Unahin mo dyan. Tiambaw. Number mo. Number 3. Tiambaw. Flores. Number 25. Oo. Sumali number 27. 27. Oo. Sumali number 27. Jolan. Number mo, Jolan. Talikod ka. Ayan, 13. Padulyo, number. Talikod. Number 6, Padulyo. Paik, number mo, Paik. Paik, number. Talikod. 35. Si Paik. Dalilama. Ayun, punta mo sa likod. Punta mo sa likod. Yung mga hindi mo pa na ano. O, pipicturean po kayo, sneakerheads. Sneakerheads. Pipicturean po kayo. Ayun na. Ayan. Sa bungan na iba, yan. Upo na lang. Yung mga kaya pang iyuko yung tuhod. Oo. Oh, shout out nga pala kay vlogger na nag-post sa amin sa Jetta Garage. Shout out sa'yo. Oo. Compound 2, ngas. Oo, kahit na nakasando yung Muse at saka nakashort, wala kang pakialam. Compound 2. Post ka, delete mo rin. Oo.
May first 5 na pareho.
Okay na? Okay. Ismael. Oy, kailan ka pa naging Valencia? Si Roy, si Valencia. Si Ismael yan, si Ismael. Okay na. Okay. Let's begin our second game.
Vlogger daw eh. Hindi sabi ko kung screenshot sana para talaga dito sa loob. Wala. May compound to eh. Dalawa lang naman ang nagano dito ka. Oo, babat. Oo. May nakita ako sa taas. First time nakita ko. Oo. May nakita ako sa taas eh. Ang nagpunta. Doon.
Okay, pasok. First 5. First 5, sneakerhead. Pasok kayo, pasok.
Oh, sige.
Pasok din, first 5. Danggitsu, pasok first 5. Ayon sa Tuwito, number 10.
Tingnan mo yung ano dyan. Padulyo. 9. Latif.
Sa Tuwito, sabi number 26. And Padulyo. At saka si Taha. Parehas kayong improper uniform. Quits lang. Parehas na may improper uniform. Kaya quits lang yan. Quits lang. Taha, talikod ka nga, Taha. Ayun. Number 23. Kamayan tayo. Maglalaro. Hindi kasali damdamin. Okay, time is ready. Good luck, both teams. Ayun na, tapikan. And Safi, unang bukol. Sumablay, rebound sa tuwito. And sa tuwito pa si Taha. Uy, kondisyon. Si Taha, Porto. 9 minutes and 45. Oligario dream the ball. Pass to Encarnacion. Encarnacion, pass to Godoy Sablay. And rebound sa tuwito. Pass to Taha. And Taha dreaming the ball. Pass to Sapi. Second shot on the way. Sumablay. Ayun na. Padulyo open. Sumablay. Rebound. Jawari. Ayun na. And Oligario. Signaling the play. Oligario pa rin. Pass to Encarnacion. Ayun. Pass to Godoy. Open. Sablay. And Satulito. Dribbling the ball. Satulito. Pass to Padulyo. Ayun. Tahas! Lumabas pa. 8 minutes and 54. Ayun na, Oligario. Pass to Jawari, open. 4-26. Pass to Kayako. And Kayako! Butcher. Ayun ang Godoy. Sumablay. Rebound. Ay nasa dito. Ano yun? And one. Basket down. Foul number 31. Jawari. Substitution. Teka muna. Teka muna. Parehas kayong 23 ni Taha. Hindi kayo pwede magsabay eh. Parehas kayong 23. Palitan mo, idol. 23 di si Taha. Palitan mo. Hindi sila pwede magsabay.
Jalan. Ano pa apelido mo? Ano apelido mo? Yung malaki. Hindi naman si Pahutan yan eh. Ay, apelido naman. Ha?
Ayun.
Ay, warat.
Ayun na. Encarnacion. Itinawid. Pass to Oligario. Ayun na, Godoy. Sumablay. And Sapito, yun na. Last shot, Jawari. Ayun na, running shot is good. Coming from Taha. Bordeaux. Oligario doing the ball. Ayun, still. Sapi, 3 in the ball, 3-on-1 situation. Sapi, pass to Satulito. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay number 27, Encarnacion. First personal foul. Second team foul. And 2 free throws for Satulito. Nang tira pasok, last throw. And substitution, Kayako out. And Lubiano in. Encarnacion. Itinawid. Pass to Lubiano. Ayun lang, still. And Ismael, pass to Taha. Ayun, tapikan. Taha, dribbling the ball. Ayun. At meron foul na dinawag kay number 4, Oligario. First personal foul. Third team foul. Ayun na. Sabi, pass sa Taha. Ayun, race. And Oligario pass to Encarnacion. Angat. And one. Basket count. Foul number 23, Taha. Bonus shot for Encarnacion. Ayun na, rebound, tapikan Ismael for the rebound. Pass sa Padillo. And Padillo getting the ball. Pass sa Tuito. 14, oh, traveling. Oh, nauna yung trouble bago nagling. Encarnacion itinawad. Pass Godoy. Ayun, sablay. And sa Tuito. Sabi, pass sa Padillo. Pass sa Taha. Taha, pull up, jumper. Oh, nangalabit. Kunin ko lang yung foul. Foul number 14, Lubiano substitution. Sapi out and Saliloma in substitution. Padillo out, Sabater in substitution. Godoy.
Marami na lab.
Oh, nang dito sa flying coming from Taha, last throw.
Kwento na lang po tayo. Masyadong magasto.
Ayan, sablay, Gandola for the rebound. Ayan, good ball yan. Encarnacion driving the ball. Pass Lubiano for 3. Lumabas pa, and Gandola for the rebound. Pass Lubiano. Encarnacion 10 to shoot. Ikot, angat. Uy, ay, nang hawi in the air. Si Encarnacion number 27. Pangiti-ngiti lang para hindi halatang ng hawi. Dalawa ka na. Second personal foul. Ayun ang sa Tuito. Pass sa Sabater. Pass sa Tuito. Back to Sabater. 14 to shoot. Salilama drilling the ball. 10. Taha. And semi-hook sablay. Rebound. Taha. Put back. Sumablay sa Tuito for the put back. 5 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. Sneakerheads leading by 6 points and ang score 10-4. Ayan na, Sabater, drilling the ball. Ayan na, Paek. Salilama for 3. Sumablay. Encarnacion for the rebound. Encarnacion drilling the ball. 5-2 situation. Encarnacion for 2. Sabi niya, rebound ko to. Ako na rin natitira nito. Asa pa kayo. Ayun na, Sabater. Pasita. Back to Sabater. Puwal ba yun? Still coming from Idol Gandola. And ganda ng assist. Ayun na. Oligario. For 4 minutes and 32 seconds. 8-10 ang ating score in favor of Sneakerheads. Result timeout, Sneakerheads. And Sabater dribbling the ball. Pass to Ismael. Ismael. Back to Taha. Ganda ng assist. Taha. Sumablay. And ayun na. Jawari dribbling the ball. Jawari yung ganda ng assist. Lubiano. Timeout. Sneakerheads.
Score po natin. Sneakerheads. Tie all. All tie. All 10. 10 all. Mamaya ko pa pag-aarapin. Walang
Andun pa yun, dinilit.
Ngayon, nasa compound tayo. Wala, hindi naman to public, ano eh. Saka hindi to public park.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Jamali yan eh. Anak ni Jamali yan eh. Ah, anak ni Jamali.
Ayan na, Jamahali. Pre. Jamahali passing. Tahauben. Lumabas pa. Ayan na, Encarnacion driving the ball. Ayun na, still. Jamahali driving the ball. And basket count. Pre. Ayun na, Gandola. Angat sa fly, rebound. And Iwarat. Pass to Jamahali. And Jamahali, basket count. Score 15-10. 14-10. Encarnacion driving the ball. Encarnacion break. Ganda ng assist. Gandola. 10.
Ina-announce ko na nga eh.
Ayun na. And fight for three. Sumablay. Warat for the woodback. And meron foul na itinawag kay number 31. Jawari second personal foul. Substitution. Penalty.
Ornamental palabas yun.
So, nang tira ka, boss. Last draw. And basket carried by Watt. 2 minutes and 48 seconds sa ating first quarter. 15-12 ang ating score. And Jamila. Pass sa Paloka. Back to Jamila. Ayun na. And Lobiano for 3. Sablay. Gandola. Uy! At meron foul na itinawag kay number 23. Iwarat substitution. Taha. Ayun sumabas. Fourth to shoot. Jamila. Traveling. Ayun na. Jamahali driving the ball. Pass to Iwarat. Meron ng foul na dinawag kay number 28. Substitution. Joe. Lozano plus personal foul. Penalty. Unang tira sa fly. Siyempre, shout out kay James Fernandez. Ayan. Siyempre, kasama si Sandro Sichon. Andun sa bench. Ayan na. Ismael. For the back sa fly. Iwarat. And push it down. Coming from Iwarat. For the Jamila. Pass to Gandola. Gandola sa fly. Iwarat for the rebound. Pass to Flores. And Flores in the ball. Pass to Tumale. Back to Flores. Good ball yan. Flores pa rin. Pass to Jamila. 14 to shoot. Ismael. Ayun, nabitiwan. And still coming from Iwarat. Back to Tumale. Pass to Jamahali. Bozil. 1 minute and 40 sa ating game clock. 19-12. And Camila pass to Paloka. Ayun na. Lobiano Bortre. Overshoots. Ayun na. Tapikan. Paloka. Pull up. Kapos. And 1 minute 23 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Flores. Pass to Jamahali. 14 to shoot. 10. Tumali open. And sumablay. And Chadi dribbling the ball. Chadi pa rin. Angat. Ayun lang. Tapon sa baw. Substitution. $58 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Ayun na, Flores. Portray. Sumablay. Ayun na, Iwarat. Aangat. Sablay. Paloka. Ayun, Jamila. Dribbling the ball. And Jamila pull up. Jumper is good. Coming from Jamila. 36 seconds. Ayun na, Jamahali. Ayun, crossover. Side step. Uy, at merong foul. Ang lupit. Foul number 28. Yung kapanahon na nung tatay, ganyan-ganyan din. May kumukontra sa tabi. Unang tira sa fly, last throw. Sumablay, Fernando for the rebound. Pass to Jamila. And Jamila dribbling the ball. Jamila pa rin. Pass to Gandolag. Ay, goal! Ito, ayun na. And Jamila. Jamahali, sorry. Meron ng foul ni Dinawge, number 28. Third personal foul, Luzano. And 2 free throws for Jamahali. 14.4 seconds remaining. 14.4. Unang tiro sa fly. Last throw. 14.4 seconds remaining. Ayun, sumablay, Jamila. Ayun na. And Jamila dribbling the ball. 10. Jamila pass to Paloka. Sumablay. 5. 2. Naubos yung oras. 2 na nga eh. Nanonood ko na eh.
End of the first quarter. Score po natin. Sneakers Heads 19. Dankitsu 16.
Our last game for tonight battle between Hempel versus Lucky RR Avenue. Ayun na, buzzer. Back to the ball game. This is our second quarter.
Second quarter na po tayo. Second quarter.
Ayun na, Olgario. Paso Singgon. Back to Olgario. 4-10, Godoy. to Oligario, open, sumablay, and sa Tuito. Controlling the basket, pass is well. Pass is happy, open, Portrait. Overshoot, sa Tuito, uy, oh, nilaw na. Ayun. Ayun na, Oligario, pass sa Singgon. Singgon, Portrait. Bang! Singgon, Portrait. And this 3-point shot is brought to you by Gandur Company. Ayun na, Sape, Portrait. Sumablay, rebound, ayun na. And Godoy. Pass to Bernal. Pass to Oligario, back to Bernal. Open, Portrait. Sumablay, Oligario, ayun na. And Oligario doing the ball. Pass to Fernando. Godoy. Fernando open. Basket count. Fernando for the 8 minutes and 37. 21-19. 2-point lead. Oh, ba, lumamang na Danketsu. Ayun na, Taha. 14 to shoot. Satavito open. And nothing but net coming from Satavito. He scored tie game at 21. Ayun na, Oligario. Pass to Fernando. Bernal, pass to Godoy. Ay, nauna trouble bago nag-lane. Substitution, palit-palit. Latif, Sir Latif. Ayun na, Taha receiving the basket. Pass to Badillo. And Padillo. 12. Taha. Sumablay. Rebound sa Tavito. And sa Tavito. Oh. At meron ng blocking foul. Itinawag kay Bernal, number 1. First personal foul. First team foul. Shot clock 14. Ayun ang Padillo for 3. Sumablay, Oligario. Yun lang. And Padillo, Tapika, nagawa ng bola. Uy, oh, sobra-sobra na. Double, dribble. Ayun na, Oligario. Pass to Singgon, Portrait. Sumablay, Tapi for the rebound. Ayun na, Ismael, ganda ng assist. Padillo for 2. 7 minutes and 5. 23-21, Sapi. Pass to Padillo. Kinaliwa sa Blay. And Padillo, pass to Tao. Ben. Basket count. Coming from Taha for 2. At lumamang ulit ng 4. 25-21. Godoy, angat. Sablay. Oh, and Padillo. Ayun. Tapikan. Oh, last touch ka, Bernal. Time out! That gets to
Score po natin. 21-25. Sneaker Heads 25. Nang labak ko. Shout out po sa 17,000 viewers namin dyan. Pakishare naman po ang aming lives. Share and like.
Okay, back to the ball game. Bola ng Sneakerhead. Depensa, Danketsu. Ayun na, Taha. Pass to Padillo. Padillo giving the ball. Pass Ismael, ganda ng assist. Oh, may foul na tayo doon, may foul na. Number 16. 16, Fernando. First personal foul. Second team foul, substitution. And Ismael shooting to substitution. Bernal. Sino pa isa? Fernando. Two free throws for Ismael. Ng tiro sa blind, last throw. At lumabas pa Godoy for the rebound pass to Jamila. Yung mga next game po, pwede kayo maupo sa bleacher. Ayan mangangalay kayo dyan. Godoy 14. Pass to Jamila 10. Oligario for 3. Sumablay, Jawari for the rebound. Ayna still. And Patulio trailing the ball. Patulio pa rin. Pass to Taha. Taha Dudu. Taha for 2. 27-21. 6-point lead for team single heads. 5 minutes and 47 seconds remaining. Jamila, back to Oligario. Back to Jamila. 12. Ganda ng assist. Ayun na. Substitution. Number 4, Oligario out. Ayun na, Padulyo. Pass to Sapi. Ismael, Tesapito. 12. 11.2 to shoot. Ayun na, Sapi. Pass to Padulyo, fake. Pass to Taha. Oy, travel. Alam mo na yun, Taha. Di ba? Tumasagad ang kamay eh. Ayun na, Jamila, passing Encarnacion. 27-21, 6-point lead for team Sneakerheads. And Jamila receiving the basket. Ayun, signaling the play. Back to Encarnacion. 14. Jawari open. Pinasa pa. Foul number 26. Ayun, substitution, Sapi. Sino? Sapi. Kasi siya din yung na-foul eh. Akala niya foul. Okay, kaya ako. Pinasa sa kalaban. Assist. Ayun na. Padulyo. Bubit-bit. 4 minutes and 47 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. 29-21. Encarnacion for 3. Sablay. Push back by Jawari. For 2. Ayun na, Taha. Back to Padulyo. 14. Padulyo open. Ayun, kitang-kita ka, boss. Ayun na. Jawari driving the ball. And Jawari pa rin. Ayun na. Encarnacion. Angat. Basket count. And Padulyo driving the ball. Pass ita. Satuito. Sumablay. Ayun na. And Encarnacion driving the ball. Pass to Godoy. Godoy open. And supply. Satuito for the rebound. Padulyo. Sinuwad. Ayun. May ball na. And number 15. Jamila. Substitution. Kayako out. Substitution. $15.6 to shoot. Ayun na sa Badea. Back to Satito. 12. At sumabit si number 15, Jamila. Second personal foul. Mamaya. Sige, thrower yung papalitan, thrower. Warning na for penalty. Muntik na sumayad. Sumayad naman kapraso. Last draw for sa Twitter. Ayun, automatic violation, substitution sa Twitter out. Ibig sabihin, pagod na. 3 minutes and 40 seconds, he scored 29-25 in favor of Sneakerheads. Camila. Pass Encarnacion. Pass Godoy. At meron foul na dinawag. Kaya number 4, holding foul, Iwarat. Iwarat, second personal foul. Second team foul. Ayun na, Jamila. Pass Godoy. Yun lang, tapon ang sabaw.
Parang hindi ko pa nakikita si KQ1. Yung Kiambaw, hindi ko pa nakikita pinapasok.
Ano? Jamila, Jamahali. Pass to break. Portrait. Sumablay. Rebound. Ayun na, Godoy. Ayun na, Jamila. Dribbling the ball. Jamila pa rin, hawak ang bola. Pass Encarnacion. And basket count. Coming from Encarnacion. Ayun na. Jamahali dribbling the ball. Pass it open. Taha. Bordeaux. Favorite shot ni Taha yun. Basta doon. 31-27, 4-point lead. 2 minutes and 32 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Encarnacion. And Sumablay. Paik for the rebound. Iwarat for the rebound. And Jamali stay. Sumablay. Gandola. Pass Encarnacion. The floater at meron foul. Na itinawag kay number 24. Substitution. Paik. And Kikyo is in the house. Ayun, substitution. Substitution. Two free throws for Encarnacion. Unang tiro sa Blay. Wala na, hindi na gumagawa ng kape yan. Binitiwan na pagkakape. Ayun na, Taha. And one. Basket count. Foul number 31, Jawari. Third personal foul. Tatlo na. Bonus shot for Taha. Binitiwan na pagtitimpla ng kape, makalaro lang. Ayun na. And Jawari, pass Encarnacion. Encarnacion dribbling the ball. Encarnacion pa rin, pass Lozano. Lozano for 3, ang layo nun. Ayun lang, KQ for the rebound. Pass Jamali. Pass Taha. Sumablay. And Gandola dribbling the ball. Pass Jawari. Back to Lozano. Oligario 14 to shoot. Ayun na, Gandola. Doon Sumablay. Ayun na. Encarnacion, ganda ng assist. Jawari Sablay. And Iwarat for the rebound. Pass to Taha. And Taha dribbling the ball. Nice steal coming from Oligario. Oligario to Lozano. Ganda ng assist. Sablay pa rin. Ayun na. Taha, pass to Jamali. And Jamali back to Taha. Sabling. Substitution. Gandola out. Angat mo na, Taha. Pwede na panira yun. 33-27. Ang ating score, 6-point lead for Team Sneakerheads. And Oligario. Paso Luzano. Paso Fernando. And Chawari. Ayun, nabitiwan. Sawater. Paso KQ. Ayun na. Paso break play. Paso Jamali. And Jamahali lilipan. Basket count. 43 seconds remaining. Encarnacion. Ayun, naangat. Sablay. Rebound. Encarnacion. For the boot back. He scored 35-29. 27 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. 14 to shoot. Ohoy, nice defense kami from Oligario. Ang galing tumiming, Oligario. For 15 seconds. Ayun. 12.8 seconds remaining. 12.8 seconds remaining. Ayun na, Jamahali back to Taha. Taha open. Sumablay. And Oligario. Ayun, still coming from Sabater. 3. Ano?
Counted.
Basket count.
Counted. Sneakers. Shout out po sa lahat ng nanonood. 21,000 viewers tayo ngayon. Paki-share lang po ang ating live. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Share and like. Sneakerheads 37, Dankitsu 31. End of the second quarter. Approaching third quarter. Okay. Third quarter na po tayo. Third quarter.
Black ball.
Bola po ng Sneakerheads. Padolyo.
14.
Godoy. Sapi. Twenty-seven.
14 to shoot. Ten.
Patulyo. Sixteen. Fernando.
Second personal foul, Fernando. First team foul.
4 points di ba? 4 points? Malayo kasi siya eh.
Ayan ang unang tiro pasok. Dahil from Padulyo. They score 40-33 in favor of Sneakerhead. 7-point lead. Last throw. Dalawa pa pala. Oo. Galing pala sa tres. Oo. Isa pa. Last throw. And he completed the 3-point. Free throws. Padulyo. Ayun na, Jamila. Pasa Encarnacion. Por 3. Bang! Encarnacion. Por 3. 42-36. 6-point lead. And Jamahali dribbling the ball. Oh. Troubling. Ayun na, Fernando, pass to Jamila. And Jamila doing the ball. Pass to Fernando. Ayun na, Encarnacion. At meron foul na itinawag kay number 27, Tumale. Second personal foul. 2 free throws for Encarnacion. Second team foul. Unang tiro busok. Last throw. Ayan, supply, rebound, Fernando. And Solis. And Encarnacion, 8. And pass it down. Coming from Baldonado. Buto. 42-39, 7 minutes and 50. Ayun na, Jumali. Ganda ng sisi ng tapika. Uy, yan, merong foul. Ay tinawag kay number 15, Fernando. Wala, thrower yung papalitan. Fernando, third personal foul. Second team foul. And Iwarat shooting two. Unang tira sa fly. Last throw. Ayan, sa fly, Godoy for the rebound. Pass to Jamila. And Jamila doing the ball. Jamila pass to Encarnacion. Encarnacion pass to Godoy. Godoy open, erase. Ayun, tabikan ni Warat. Pass to Jamali. Pass to Sopi. And Sopi for 2. Nabutas na. Ayun na, Baldonado. Pass to Godoy. Pass to Baldonado. Assist coming from Godoy. Ayun na, Jamahali. Ayun na, 14 to shoot. Patuloy for 3. Mablay na. Paganda pa. Sapi. Ayun. Godoy for the rebound. And Godoy pass to Encarnacion. Encarnacion dribbling the ball. Encarnacion. Home time. 44-43 ang ating score. 1-point lead. 14 is Sneakerhead. Jamahali. Singing the play. 14, Tumale. The running shot. Sumablay. And Tapika nagawa ng bola. Yun na. Encarnacion. Pass to Baldonado. Time out! Southeast Sneakerhead.
Score natin.
At lumumang na ng isang Janketsu.
44-45. 44-45. Score po natin, 44-45. Dankitsu, 49.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Shout out Beverly. Beverly.
Ayun na, Zaha receiving the basket. Back to Padulyo. And Padulyo giving the ball. Pass to Zaha. Back to Padulyo. Satuito. Igot, angat, sablay. Rebound, Taviga, nagawa ng bola. Ayun na, Oligario, paso, Encarnacion. Encarnacion. For two. Ayun na, Padulyo. Pass to Satuito. Tuwito, binababa. Hang time. Aba, mayroon palang ganun si, sa Tuwito. Aba, Oligario. Pass to Baldonado, fake. And Baldonado. For two. Ayan na, Padulyo. Trailing the ball. Padulyo for three. Ayun na. Tapon ang sabaw. Substitution. Sapi.
Nakapwesto ka kasi di makarating sa'yo bola.
Ayun na, Oligario. Itinuwed. Pass to Juwari. Oligario for three. Oligario for three. And this 3-point shot is brought to you by Gandor Company. At lumamang na ng anim. Ayun na. Ayun na, signal. Sige lang. 12 to shoot. Zaha. 10. 5. Satuito. Lazy in for zero.
Yan.
Ano?
Bumalik na ko.
Ayun na. Godoy! Basket down. Sa wakas. Pang-pitong tira. Pumasok din. Ayun na. Jamahali. For the 54-50 ang ating score. 4-point lead. 4 minutes and 12. Oligario. Pass to Jawari. Back to Oligario. Ayun na. Encarnacion. 12 to shoot. Godoy open. Suma Blay. Ismael for the rebound. Pass to Jamahali. Pass to Satuito. Suma Blay. Rebound. Nagawa ng bola. Yun na. And Jawari pass to Baldonado. Still coming from Padulyo. And Padulyo doing the ball. Pass to Jamahali. Pull up. It's good. Put here. Score 54-52. Gandang laban na to. 3 minutes and 32 seconds remaining. Starting game clock. And Danketsu leading by 2 points. Ayun na, Oligario 14. Now 8. Jawari open. Suma Blay Ismael. Ayun na, Taha. Ayun na, Satuito. Akin na to. Sabi ni Satuito. Time out! Danketsu.
Okay.
Score tie game at 54.
Tie game na po tayo ngayon. Ganda ng laban. Walang bumibitaw. May bandage.
Tigilan niyo ako!
Back to the ball game. Sige na, pasok na. Pasok na. Balitan niyo muna. Aba. Bola niyo. Ayun na, Bernal. Pass si Jamila. Jamila, the looter is good for two. Coming from Jamila. He scored 56-54, 2 point lead for Team Duncan 2 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. Padullo. Pass to Jamali. 4-10 to shoot. Satu itu for 3. Sumablay. And Jamila dribbling the ball. Jamila Boren. And Chadi back to Jamila. Aina. Idol. Turn around shot. Supply. And Ismail. Oh, nice defense. And Taha dribbling the ball. Taha Boren. Pass to Jamahali. Sumablay. And Jamila 3 on anticipation. Ayun na. Pass to Idol. Foul number 14. Bigyan mo yung bola. Libiano, second personal foul. Substitution. Ayun na. Jamahali receiving the basket. 2 minutes and 12. Pass to Taha. 14 to shoot. Pass to Satuito. And Satuito for 2. We are under 2 minutes. 1 minute and 55. Tie game of 56. And Jamila. Pass to Bernal for 3. Seyon, tirang kapos. Pass to Jamali. And Jamali dribbling the ball. White ball, white ball. Bola na. Ayun na, Bernal. Pass to Jamila. Pass to Jawari. 14. Jamila. To Bernal. 4-3. Sumablay. Ayun na. Ismail pass to Taha. And Taha lilipad. Basket down. Coming from Taha. 4-2. Gandola. Pass to Jamila. Jamila 4-3. Sumablay. And Jamahali. Pass to Taha. May ball na, may ball na. Foul number 1, Bernal substitution. Bernal out. Substitution. Warning for penalty. And 2 free throws for Taha. Warning na for penalty. Team Dankitsu. Exactly 60 seconds remaining. Unang tira sa line, last throw. Ayun, basket coming from Taha. 59-56 ang ating score. And ayun na, encarnasyon, ganda ng assist. Gandola, still coming from Ismail. And Sabater. Passes sa Tuwito. Ayun na, sa Tuwito lilipad. Basket down coming from sa Tuwito. Ayun na. Jamila doing the ball. Pass to Jawari. Gandola open. Sumablay. Ayun na, Iwarat. Still. 24 seconds remaining. 19.6 to 6. It scored 56-61. 5-point lead for Team Sneakerheads. And Sabatera. 14 to shoot. In lang, Encarnacion. Oh. Pass to Jamila. 49 and 7. 4. 4-2, and that's the end of the third quarter. He scored 63-58, 5 points lead for team the Stinkerheads. Okay, back to the ball game. This is our last and final quarter. Ang next game po natin, battle between Lucky Arar Avenue versus Hempel. Ayun na, Luzano pass Encarnacion. Back to Luzano. Ayun na. Oh. And Taha receiving the basket. Taha. Spin move. It's good. Coming from Taha. For two. Ayun na, Luzano. Pass to Fernando. 14. Pass Encarnacion 10. Ayun na, Luzano open. 5. Ayun Sablay, rebound ni Borat. Pass Ismael. And Sabater controlling the basket. Sabater doing the ball. Pass sa Tuito. Ayun na, sa Tuito. Blocking yun, blocking foul. Ay tinawag kay number 16, Fernando. Apat na, Fernando, substitution, palit-palit. Fourteen to shoot. Ayan na, Taha. 10. Sabater. 5. Ayun, still, ayun na, Godoy, pasa Encarnacion. Encarnacion, pasa Singon. And Singon. Pupukol ng press. Mablay, ayun na. Satu ito, pass to Ismael. Ganda ng assist. Taha! For two. Time out! That gets two.
Bilis ni Taha. Shout out sa 25,000 viewers natin dyan. Paki-share naman yung ano natin dyan, live.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Pasensya po, medyo na-delay minsan.
Medyo lumayo na. Sneakerheads leading by 9 points.
Mahina po yung signal natin.
Time remaining 8 minutes and 38.
Mahina po yung signal, medyo na-delay.
And Encarnacion.
Live.
For three. Bang! Encarnacion for three. And this 3-point shot is brought to you by Gantor Company, our major sponsor with Jollibee. 14 to shoot. Down to 10. Padulyo open. Ayun, Sablay. Ayun lang. Last touch, si Warat. Ayun na, ganda ng assist. Palo nga, pass to Kayako. Si Mablay. And Kayako, ayun, still tapil ka. Ayun na, Taha. And Taha. 4-2, agaw ko to, bakit ko papasa? O, di ba? Agaw ko to eh. Encarnacion, 4-3. Sumablay, Padulyo. Paso Taha. And Taha. Oh, nice defense yan from Gayako. Oh, kung tinira mo. Oo.
Binigay sa akin, ano gusto niyo? Balik ko.
Ayun na. Iwarat for the rebound. Paso Padulyo. 4-20 shoot. Paso sa Tuito. Traveling. Substitution. Palit-palit.
Walang pagitan, Luka.
Ayun na, Encarnacion. Paso Bernal. Paso Baloca. Ganda ng assist. And Baldonado for the 69-63, 6-point lead. 7 minutes and 5. Padulyo. Padulyo for Bre. Sumablay. Bola Simsim. Substitution. Palit-palit. Taha. 8.9 to shoot. 8.9 to shoot. Ayun na. Paso Ismael open. Ismael angat, sablay. Bernal for the rebound. Paloka. Paso Encarnacion. Ayun na. And Baldonado. Sumablay. And Satuito dribbling the ball. Satuito lilipad. Basket down. Coming from Satuito for two. Ayun na. Encarnacion dribbling the ball. Sablay Encarnacion. Uy! At merong foul na itinawag kay number 4. Number 4, Iwarat. A.K.A. Extra Rice. Sabi ni Ismail yun, ha? Two free throws for Encarnacion. Iwarat third personal foul. Unang tira paling. Last throw. Ayun, Sablay, rebound. Tabigyan ay na Iwarat for the rebound. And Jumhali. 6 minutes and 12. Ayun na, Sapi open. 4-3. Bang! Sapi! 4-3. And this second shot is brought to you by Gandor Company. Ayun na, our major sponsor. Ayun na, Baldonado binura. 4-3. Bang! Baldonado 4-3. 74-66, 8-point lead. 5 minutes and 42 seconds remaining. Ayun na, pull-up jumper. Nothing but net coming from Jamahali. 5 minutes and 32 seconds. Ayun na, still coming from Ismael. Pass to Jamahali. And Jamahali dribbling the ball. Pass is up, open. Another 3 on the way. Sumablay and may some of it. And number 1, Bernal. Bernal, third personal foul. Second team foul. 4-2 to shoot. Ayun na, Jamahali. 10. Sabi, 4-3. Overshoots and rebound, Paloka. Pass to Jawari. And Jawari bringing the ball. Ayun na. Baldonado, 4-3. Sumablay. And Jamila. Bringing the ball. Pass to Bernal. All day to shoot. Sumablay, Jawari. Ayun lang. At meron ng foul na dinawag kay number 9. Sa Tuito, first personal foul. Second team foul. 4 minutes and 53 seconds remaining sa ating game block. Baldonado for three. Sumablay Warat for the rebound. Ayun na, pass to Ismael. And pass to Jamali. Jamali dribbling the ball. Ayun na, Jamali pa rin. Pass to Sapi for three. Bang! Sapi for three. 79-66. It's raining three. Kami ba Sapi, Paloka. Sumablay. Oy. Foul number 4, Warat. Fourth personal foul. And 2 free throws for Baldonado. Oh, nandito pa so. Last throw. Apat na foul. Substitution. Substitution, Jamila. Four minutes, 22 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. And Jamahali. 18 away. 14. Pass Ismael. 10. Good ball yan. Ayun na. And Lobiano. At meron ng foul ay dinawag kay Ismael. Number 8. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution. Oh, nang tira sa fly. Last throw. And basket comes from Lubiano. 79-69, 10-point lead. And Jamali. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Taha. 14 to shoot. Down to 10. Taha, running shot. Sumablay and Lozano. Pass to Encarnacion. Encarnacion. Lilipan. Sablay. And Satuito for the rebound. Satuito pa rin. Ayun na. Oh, wrap around. Oh, wrap around. Oh, anong nangyari? Tapilok yata. Oo, pagbagsak, matapilok. Tapilok. Oo. Oh, yung pang first aid namin, no? Pakisoli lang, no? Ayan, buhatin na. Ayan. Oh. No. Wala pa naman pang spray yata.
Palit yung isa, sir.
Oh, palit na po, palit na. Palit na. Back to the ball game. 3 minutes and 29 seconds remaining. 18.7 shot clock. Ismael raise. I know. Oh. I know, Jawari. Pass to Lozano. I know. Fernando open, Sablay, and Lozano for the rebound. Lozano pass to Lobiano for three. Sablay, Lozano for the putback. And Taha. Back to Ismael. And Ismael dribbling the ball. Pass to Satulito. 4-10 to shoot. Safi 10. Satulito. Pass Ismael 5. Oy, ganda ng cut. Assist coming from Ismael. And 2 points for Taha. Ayun na Encarnacion. Taking the ball. Encarnacion pa rin. And 1. Basket yun. Foul number 9 sa Tuvito. Second personal foul, substitution. 81-73, 2 minutes and 29 seconds remaining. Substitution. Bonus shot. Now basket coming from Encarnacion, 81-74. And Iwarat pass to Taha. And Taha. Angat. Oh, may foul na. Foul number 31, Jawari.
81.
Fourth personal foul.
81-74. Sneaker Edge. 81. Dankitso. 74.
2 minutes and 23 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Unang tiro sa blind coming from Taha. Last draw. He scored 81-74 in favor of the Sneakerheads. And nothing but net coming from Taha. Ayun na, Jamila. Passing Encarnacion. At meron ng foul na itinawagin number 26, Safi. Penalty. Second personal foul. And 2 free throws for Encarnacion. 82-74. Unang tiro, nothing but net. Last throw. Now basket substitution. Jamila out, Singon in. Ayun na, Sabi. Pass Ismael. Offensive. Labas ang bola. No. Ismael, Ismael, second personal foul. Ayun na, Encarnacion. Leaving the ball. Angat, sablay, Encarnacion. Uy, traveling. 1 minute and 58 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Ayun na, Safi. Leaving the ball. And Safi pa rin. Pass Iwarat. Back to Safi. 4-10. Safi angat sa blind. Encarnacion. Pass to Lozano. And Lozano driving the ball. Pass to Singon. Ayun. Ganda ng cut. Basket count from Lozano for the 1 minute and 33 seconds. 82-78. Ayun. Pass Ismael. 4-10 to shoot. 10. Ayun na, Taha. At meron ng foul. Nakatukod ka sa likod eh. Taga lang. Kukunin ko lang yung foul. Foul number 16. Fernando. 5 foul substitution. Warning na for penalty. 2 free throws for Taha. Nandir Basok coming from Taha. Last throw, 1 minute and 16. He scored 83-78, 5-point lead. Last draw. Ang basket coming from Taha. 84-78, 1 minute and 16. Ayun na, Jawari. Pass to Bernal. Traveling. Traveling. Walang hawak. Ayun na, Taha. And Taha driving the ball. Angat. Offensive. Number 23, second personal foul. 58.5 seconds remaining. Ayun na. Encarnacion. For three. Sumablay. Bernal for the rebound. And Bernal. Ismael. Pass sa Padulyo. Walang bantay. Sumablay. Baldonado. Pass sa Jawari. 33 seconds. Jawari. Pass sa Singgon. Open for three. Sumablay. 24.5 seconds. Ayun na. Iwarat. Pass Ismael. Pass Taha. 16.7 seconds remaining. 16.7. Ayun na, Iwarat. Pass sa Padulyo. Ayun, Sablay. Padulyo ulit. 8. 5. And that's the end of our game. Congratulations, Sneakerheads. Kamain tayo both teams. Pipicturean kayo sa gitna.